Going to start with exercise 12.3 standard 8th. Welcome to my class. Okay, one by one we will solve all the questions. So I am going to start with exercise 12.3. Question number 1 says that carry out the following division. So the first one is 28x raised to 4 divided by 56x. Let us start. Now this is the numerator, this is denominator. So what we will do is we will write 26 upon 56 numbers together and variables together. So we get 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are half into powers of indices. So we get half x raised to 3. First one is clear. चलो second one start करेंगे. 66 नहीं minus 36 y cube divided by 9y square minus 36 upon 9 into y cube upon y square minus 4y raised to 3 minus 2. So the answer is understood? Third, 66p q square r cube divided by 11qr square. Now 66 upon 11, p is alone, q square upon q, r cube upon r square. Using the laws of indices, we get 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 6pqr. ठीक है. Now remaining two sums आपको try करने हैं. Now we go to question number 2, first one. Same, divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. The first one is 5x square minus 6x upon 3x. ठीक है. Observe the sum and we see that x is common. तो x 5x minus 6 upon 3x. x gone, we get 5x minus 6 upon 3. इसको भी और आगे further simplify कर सकते हैं or you can keep as it is. Now we are going to the second one. 3y raised to 8 minus 4y raised to 6. इसमें कॉपी करना बराबर ज़रूरी है. Plus the powers divided by 5 raised to 4. चलो डिनोमिनेटर में y raised to 4 है, so I will remove y raised to 4 as common from the numerator. 3y raised to 4 minus 4y raised to 2, 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 2 6 और 5 upon y raised to 4. दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. We get 3y raised to 4 minus 4y square plus 5. सेकेंड आ गया समझ में. ओके, नाउ थर्ड वन. मेथड विल बी सेम. ओके, तो पहले हम कॉपी कर लें. 8x क्यूब y स्क्वायर z स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर y क्यूब z स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर z क्यूब अपॉन 4x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर z स्क्वायर. तो 8 अपॉन 4 पहले. ओके, वी राइट डाउन 8 अपॉन 4. ठीक है. उसके बाद कॉमन क्या निकालेंगे हम. एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर फ्रॉम द न्यूमरेटर. अब ध्यान देना. सो वी गेट एक्स क्यूब, तो 1x विल कम. एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर इज ऑलरेडी देयर. वाई क्यूब, तो 1y विल कम एंड 1z विल कम अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर. तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. 4 2 ज़ा. सो वी गेट 2 ब्रैकेट x plus y plus z, and this is your answer. ठीक है. 4th 5th homework. Now I am going to question number 3. Without the following, work out the following divisions. 10x minus 25 divide by 5. So this is numerator, this is denominator. So I'll take out 5 as common from the numerator, and upon 5 we get 2x minus 5 second. ठीक है. So work out the following divisions है. Questions का heading second. 10x minus 25 divide by 2x minus 5. Now in numerator 5 is common upon 2x minus 5. So we get the answer as 5. आ रहा है समझ में? Easy है ना? सो 2 टाइम्स रिपीट करोगे तो एकदम से परफेक्ट हो जाएगा. 10y ब्रैकेट 6y प्लस 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 इंटू 2y प्लस 7. सो नाउ 10 अपॉन 5 इंटू y. नाउ हियर 3 इज कॉमन. 2y प्लस 7. It is 6y plus 21, so we get 2y plus 7 upon 2y plus 7. Now you can cancel it. Whatever left is your answer. 3 sums. Okay, so you have to complete the remaining. Now I am going to question number 4. Divide as directed. So first I will copy the question properly. 5 bracket 2x plus 1 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So can you tell me now what to do? These are same, so we cancel it. We are left with the answer. You can open the bracket or you can keep as it is, 15x plus 25. Now I am moving to the second one. 4th ka second one. 26xy bracket x plus 5 y minus 4 divided by 13x y minus 4. ठीक है. चलो. Now 26xy upon 13x को हम साथ में लिखेंगे. x plus 5 y minus 4. Then we will cancel it. Okay. Now 13 2s are 26. x gone. We are left with 2y. And the answer is, open the bracket, 2xy plus 10y. Understood? I hope you are getting. Now I am going to the third one. 4th ka third. 52pqr, p plus q, q plus r, r plus p. એટલે આરામથી ક્વેશ્ચન કોપી કરી લેવાનો, એમાં મિસ્ટેક નહીં થવા જોઈએ. 104 PQ bracket Q plus R, R plus P. Now 52 upon 104. ठीक है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप. P upon P, Q upon Q and R is alone. समझ पड़ी बधाने? चलो, anything is same. R plus P, ये, yes. So we get, चलो. Now 52 ones are and 2s are. 1 upon 2 R P plus Q. Now I am moving to question number 5. Remaining sums you have to complete. Factorize the expression and divide them as directed. चलो, ध्यान आप जो, very important question, 3 marks question will be asked, and I am going to show you the method of factorization. चलो अब ध्यान देना. फर्स्ट न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर. अब मैं पहले न्यूमरेटर को ले रही हूँ. The coefficient of first term is 1. Coefficient का मतलब है number written before the variable. Last term is 10, so we get 10. ये आ गया समझ में? 5 2s are 10, 5 plus 2 is 7. So the factors are 5 plus 2. So we write down this way. 7y को हम split करेंगे. So we get 4 terms. Y is common. Here 2 is common. We get the same terms. The factors are, this is the solution of the numerator. Now we take the denominator. So we are left with only y plus 2 is our answer. I hope I am clear. Second one, m square minus 14m minus 32 divided by m plus 2. Same way I will show you how to solve the numerator first. 1 into minus 32. ठीक है, साइन के साथ लिखना है. 1 into minus 32. Now 16 2s are 32 and minus 16 plus 2 will give you minus 14. Direct भी हम लिख सकते हैं. The factors you can write directly also. M square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32. So we get m into m minus 16 plus 2 into m minus 16. ठीक है. So we get m minus 16 m plus 2 along with the denominator, and our answer is m minus 16. Okay. Now I'll show you question number 3. 4 5 6 आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं. 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Now देखो न्यूमरेटर में 5 कॉमन है, तो 5 into p square minus 5p plus 4 divided by p minus 1. Now first I will solve the numerator. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Minus 1 minus 4 gives you minus 5. So p square minus 4p minus 1p plus 4. 1p usually we don't write, but I have written for your understanding so that confusion nahi create ho. p minus 4 minus 1 into p minus 4. So we get, the factors are p minus 4 और p minus 1. ठीक है. अब हम लेंगे डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, p minus 1. हम उसको कैंसिल कर देंगे and we are left with the answer p minus 4. Okay. So you will try the remaining. Okay, fourth one also I'll do for you. 5 6 7 then homework. ठीक है. 4yz z square plus 6z minus 16 divided by 2y into z plus 8. First we will solve the numerator. Z square plus 6z minus 16. 1 into 16 gives you minus 16. 8 2s are 16 plus 8 minus 2 gives you plus 6. So 4yz z square plus 8z minus 2z minus 16. 4yz z into z plus 8 minus 2 into z plus 8. 4yz bracket z plus 8 z minus 2 divided by 2y z plus 8. ओके, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. 4 2 2s are 4, y and y gone. We are left with 2z z minus 2.